haven't seen like really like foggy place. Where did the thing come right as I was about to start recording? So guys, this is why I bought an SD card, guys, so that I can record. Dude, I don't know. I'm scared to start driving. I don't know if I can do this monotonous activity for like a long time. Tayo. So why is there always the blue thing, bruh? Guys, you can already see the sign Taman Saga. Yo, can this car get out of the way, bruh? Yeah, you can see the hills and stuff already. Guys, chat, isn't this crazy, guys? Yo, chat, no way, guys. Taman Saga, Taman Saga. Taman Saga, Taman Saga. Bing, bing. Oh no, why is my phone suddenly so dark? Look at all the houses have stairs. Like almost all of them in this neighborhood. Okay, so we just finished getting off of the car. So now we're gonna oh yeah, okay, hold on. You finished getting.
Gotta be stretching, bro.
Getting, okay.
Stretch properly lah. Like, and the leg. She like this. What? Okay, what are you saying?
We reached we went and then we're gonna go up the stairs that leads to the trailhead. We very confused as to where the trailhead was, and then Messenger was correct that we're supposed to go up the stairs to get to the trailhead that's under the bridge. As you can see, most of the blocks. CLCC also is there. It's really cool being able to see all four of the tallest buildings in Malaysia and also various other titles of the tallest, like something number building in Malaysia. Yeah. I'll show you the view, guys, later. Yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. I really hope you guys can hear me. Look at that. Whoa, this is so cool actually, yo. The way the path like does that. Be careful to not slip. This smells like lemongrass. I think it is some of the plants. Whoa, we're at a hill. It's so cold. Not really, but you know what I mean. Misty. Where? Whoa! I've never seen a dragon fruit plant before. This is my first time seeing a dragon fruit plant. Ibu, I saw a dragon fruit plant for the first. Oh yeah, it's under the bridge. We're going the right way, Ibu. Did you saw the plant just now? I saw a dragon fruit plant. Guys, just now we had to walk over that. That was kind of scary. Okay, actually, that was kind of scary. Yeah. Alright, cool. Oh yeah, this is the path. Dude, I can't believe we're at it. We're actually at the place. You can see the view, Ayong. You can see. 308, right there. That's so cool. That's the path, that's the path. Ah, this is the path. You can really see water falling. Can I, Ayong? You can really see water falling. Okay. Anyways, yeah, this is the path up to Bukit Saga. This is a trailhead, so yeah, that's pretty cool, guys.
It's a water street.
Is this still not recording? Okay, there you go.
Oh, GoPro sih.
Huh? In my pocket. Yeah, animals and stuff. Pretty cool. How is the GoPro down to 2 bars, bro? Hello, please start recording. Okay, there we go. Yeah. How are you feeling, Ibu and Anga? Huh? I'm not too tired. I'm honestly just filled with excitement. What? Don't what? Tak lah, Ibu, kalau hiking nanti exercising boleh live more longer or something, I don't know. That is a pretty steep part of the path. People always say if you see the correct path, that means...
I want trail.
Why?
You'll see it's so steep.
But both of those lead to the top of the hill, right? Oh yeah, Anga. Trail A is shorter, Anga. Anga. Trail A is shorter, but Trail C is the harder one. I only told me to go up because it was the harder one.
But Trail C, you can already see. Oh,
This is Trail A, this is Trail C. Trail C is the harder one. This is the harder one. That is Trail A. No. Okay.
No, what is it?
This is the harder one, that is the easier one.
I don't know, up to you guys. But able to on top, right?
Both of those lead to the same.
But this is longer, longer.
That's the shorter, this is the longer. This is the longer.
Okay, I'll go there.
Okay. We're gonna go the easier route, guys. Yeah, this is a split off point. Trail A that way, Trail C this way. Trail C is the harder one, Trail A is the easier one. My mom and my younger and sister said to go the easier one. Huh? Okay. So yeah, pretty cool, guys, right? Keep going. Going to encounter some water. It was raining a lot yesterday, so I think we're gonna expect a lot of water. Because it was raining a lot yesterday, so I think we're gonna expect a lot of water at the waterfall and the various streams along this path. Yeah. It's so exciting, guys. I'm actually not sure. Keep going, guys. Please record. So yeah, we're jumping in the water now. Yeah. Right. Cross it. Yeah. Since it's still pretty wet and stuff from what you can see. Yesterday, still lots of cool jungle stuff. But yeah, since it was raining yesterday, there will be lots of water. What? I know, that's so steep. But yeah, since it was raining, there's a lot of water. So hopefully the waterfall is gonna be very nice and cold and very plentiful. And since it is Thursday, there's not that many people here. That we're finally approaching something, guys. I almost bonked myself on the tree. Yeah? Okay. What? Oh my god. Whoa, that's so cool, the view! Whoa! I've never seen KL from this view! From this height, guys! That's so cool though! Wow, I need to take a picture of this. Hiking. Yeah, so message my mom, they're pretty tired. So we're gonna be stopping here until 9:50. Stopping until 9:50. So yeah. I'm not too tired yet. It's still very fun for me. I was honestly kind of smiling the entire path. Not gonna lie. It's very cool. I'm just very excited to go hiking. But yeah, the path to the waterfall though looks insanely long. Because the path to the hill is nice, but the path to the hill is the waterfall is insane. But that's cool though. That's so long. Wait, what time is it? 9:35. It's a little while. I can use my phone in the morning. I did the mistake of not turning off all trails. So. Is what I call that. No, I want to be amateur. But yeah, basically, it's my video, not yours. But yeah, I did a mistake of turning on the all trails navigation, so it's my battery a lot. So yeah, I forgot to turn it off. And now my phone went from 70 to 30 now. Now I'm like, what? I can't use my phone anymore now. Yeah, pretty cool, guys.
Okay, but look here.
I was surprised to come. Can I end? Can I stop? Depleting the battery, by the way.
Okay.
Okay. For some reason, it went from one bar to 2 bars. I don't know how the battery ran up. Look, I'm getting our hike now to the top. We were halfway there. So now it's the other 400 meters, like around 400 to 300 meters from that. Yeah, guys. Never mind, guys. It's not 400 meters. 600 meters actually, guys. No way, guys. Oh yeah, be careful. There's lots of spiky plants. The vlogger said. Yo, shout out to Hiker Hero, guys. What do you mean, Zikilagi? Look at this dried up river. Alright. Guys, so we're up here, right? Look at the long. So we're on the easier route. Look at the harder route. That's insane. And look at this. How on earth do we get up this? Look at this. That is insane. That's off. And then, am I still again? I don't know.
Oh.
Kasok lain. Kasok lain.
You have to go out here, huh?
No. That's the path. Can you go uphill? I feel.
Peace. Okay.
What was that?
Masih kayo ito.
Let's get a giant tree, guys. Look at this, so big.
This is the biggest tree I've ever seen. And
This is not the biggest tree I've ever seen. I've seen bigger trees at the Forest Research Institute of Malaysia. I'm gonna have to go around like hiking and stuff there for a field trip. But look at that, how wide it is. Somebody tried to cut it. Not good. No. If only we still had the Lindsay Creek tree. That's so sad, guys. Right? See the city over there. But yeah, pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, we still have a lot more. And my sisters and my mom's starting to get really motivated. I'm still highly motivated. I really want to keep going. I'm still not tired. I don't know why. I actually was expecting for me to be tired more. Maybe it's the excitement and adrenaline of like, whoa, I have to go hiking. It's making me not tired. I don't know. Tomato. Look at all these plants, guys. What is happening with the lighting? Okay, there we go.
full of ants.
I did not know the ants were there.
That's so cool. Like I found mushrooms and also these mushrooms.
Can you take it? Can you take it?
Yeah,
My hat?
wait.
Where? My sister has monkeys somewhere. I don't see them though. I can share them. Huh? No.
He's looking at us though. Go.
Yeah. My mom said be careful because the monkeys are staring directly at us. Whoa, we're reaching an open section. Look at that.
Can you see?
Huh?
Yeah, come here. There's two.
I see them. I see the monkeys. Don't run. Don't run.
But like,
Whoa! It's open now. There. There's the hilltop. Oh.
which one is the top?
No, both hilltop and waterfall are the same direction. So we're suddenly at the hilltop. It's so weird. Oh, the hilltop is suddenly already open. It's so weird. Look at this. It's suddenly gravel road. Yeah, we passed by some monkeys just now. That was actually really scary. Not gonna lie. 200 meters to the top. I'll be honest, the dirt path is not as good compared to the forest path. The forest path is just much more easy to go up to than the dirt path. I don't like this great gravel path. It's much more uncomfortable to go up to. So, yeah. So, both of these are to the waterfall and to the Saga hilltop.
My motivation is to pee.
My motivation, honestly, is just hiking in general. I've always wanted to have motivation ibu. Yeah, it's actually a navigational something something. If you press a sign under it, but I'm not gonna go there. Wait, we have to go there. Wait, no, I'm not sure actually. Not sure. Wait, so which way is the hilltop and which way is the thing?
Yeah.
Are you sure? That is not the capital of Selangor. Huh? It's a thing, it's navigational something something. Yeah, hopefully this is the correct path. We're either going down the waterfall route or the hilltop route. I really hope it's Saga top, never mind. Immediately confirmed for me. Damn. Okay, sure. Saga top. You can see the writing in Chinese also. Now we're entering back into forest, guys. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Still 100 meters left. Wait, doesn't that mean that we're gonna see it very soon then? 100 meters is like a very small amount of walking. Guys, if you ever go hiking, do not do this. Do not litter, guys. Okay? We must protect our environment, and you guys should donate to various activist groups like Mossy Earth, the WWF, the World Wildlife Foundation, yeah, and stuff like that. Donate to stuff. Yeah, do not litter if you're hiking. It's very bad behavior. I will think badly of you, so you don't want that to happen, okay, guys? So do not litter when you guys go hiking, and do not litter in general. Biar ibu ni ada banyak-banyak duri, ibu ada pokok-pokok. Oh, very thorny. Yeah, I recognize these plants. These plants has hurt me a lot in like my home area because they're pretty common and they are very sharp. What? Oh, mushroom. Where? Another shoe, guys. Whoa, so big. Look at these mushrooms, guys. They're so big.
Look, I'll break my hand.
Finally reached it. Here's the top. Yep. Hello, guys. Can we eat first or something? I don't know. Oh no, we went. Oh, is that a place to pick you ask them? Maybe. Alright, we're at the top. Harapan. Yeah, we reached the top. Pretty cool, right? Don't run. Ada dua je. You can take either track A or track C. Is there a toilet here? You can ask them. Huh? Are you sure to jump? Or was he being kidding? Waterfall. I won. Oh, duri. Look, a tree fell along the path. That's unfortunate. I wonder why it fell. Look, it uprooted Ayung entirely.
Now they asked if I to go or not. I think I wanted to offer as well.
Let me see how we're going to the waterfall. Okay, so they were warning us now. They offered us some water, but we offered some water. They offered us some water, but we declined. Go back and talk. But yeah, so that is not like a very strong plan. So be careful of that waterfall path now. The path to the waterfall is around an hour long, they said. I checked on the map and the path to the waterfall is kind of scary because of how long it is. I was like, oh my god. I don't know if I can take the path to the waterfall because it's an hour to the path. But then you have to take the hour going back. That's insane, guys. Look at how many plants fell. Yeah, they're broken. Look at it. The path nearly got blocked. So just how much stuff fell down. There you go. Look at that. We've approached another river. Yeah, our shoes got wet. Yeah, I think we're getting close to the waterfall, perhaps. Yeah, angkat turun dulu. Guys, look how steep this is.
One by one.
This is the part I saw on the videos. Is the scary part, the one that everybody dreads. The really steep part. It doesn't look that steep on video for some reason, but on real life it's actually very steep. The log that this rope is attached to, I've never seen a log this big in my life. Look, that's a human for scale. This is such a big log. It's a bit, but yeah, look at that. We can hear the waterfall. It's pretty loud. But we don't see it because, you know, dense jungle. But yeah, oh my god, look at all the spikes. But yeah, such a big log. see the forest is, guys. Currently we're trying to, we finally made it down a bit. It's a little bit more down, but it's not as insane like this. Yeah. But yeah, look at that. Ants, mushrooms, what is that? I don't know, but look how misty it is. The tree uprooted and caused a landslide. Guys, so this is, they would say you will encounter a river between the waterfall. That's the river, guys, as you can see. Yeah, we're gonna cross it now. Oh my guys, you guys are wearing a waterfall. Oh, this water is like quicksand. And now, oh my god, that's so sejuk. There's so much water in my feet. I was expecting I thought the sun just immediately sunk. Ibu sejuk gila boy ni ibu. Oh, my feet is so wet now. Okay. Yeah, this is dirty water. You cannot drink it. Look at the way it drips. That's so cool, guys. Look at that. Wow, that's the water. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. We'll just keep walking along the river now. Oh, my feet are wet. Oh god. Okay. Ready, guys. Okay, there we go. Oh well. Hopefully we'll get soon. Where is the tempat that people mandi? The one with the ni?
Kat situ kot. Tak lalu, Mama tak lambat ni.
Wih, ni bahaya lah. Look how steep it is. Memang mesti duduk. Memang mesti duduk. So, the air is like white water tadi, bahaya. Bahaya lah, bincin lah. We're gonna go swim there later. Oh, we're not recording. Look how loud it is. We're gonna go swim there now. Let's sit down. Kinda scary, not gonna lie. Okay. I think we're behind you, Ibu. I've never seen like really big waterfalls like this before. Gonna get bigger later. This gentleman is helping us because we were lost. We thought this was the final one and we thought there wasn't enough water, but no. The guy said yes, we will go a bit more further because they found it. So that's pretty nice of them to tell us. Who is that? Okay, yeah, look at that. I'm actually so wet. Look at it, guys. I don't even care if it's wet anymore. Oh god, it's so wet. Oh god. No way.
The struggle of summer. Tengah lagi. Tengah lagi. Ten. Rasi dekat depan tak ada air. Dekat depan tak ada air. Depan tak ada air. Kau rasa no, you don't have picture master. Sekejap je. Sekejap je. Cancel ni. Just pass the water. Yeah. Slowly pass the water, okay? Apa tak buat ni? Okay, nice. Ibu, tepi. Sekejap, okay, ready? Sit properly. Next first. Next. Tak kelakon ke? Slowly.
god. Guys, I'm happy to announce that the waterproof casing is waterproof. Okay. Tak ibu, it's waterproof lah ibu, see. Ibu ingat rosak tu?
Your phone.
No, ibu ingat rosak tu ibu. I know the waterproof casing works. I was scared if it wasn't going to work, but it works. But this is my first time trying the waterproof casing. Okay, it wasn't that scary. Once I passed at the part that was really raining on me, it wasn't that scary, but it's so sejuk gila. Oh my god. It's so cold, guys. I'm like shaking right now, dude. It was so cold, dude. What did the camera be seeing, guys? Guys, what do y'all see? Guys. Wow. I still want to find out what's there. I need to pee, guys. Oh no. Oh, it's a beautiful song. I'm recording now.
Guys, let's try to sit down here.
No.
Guys, one, two, let's sit down here. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, this is fine.
What are you doing, bro? Alright, that's the last video. You're about to end better already, okay? Bye, GoPro. My mom let me go on my own. There's a bunch of other guys here anyway, so it's not that dangerous. Yeah, I think I meant to take them back. I don't know how long it's gonna go anyway. It's on 2 hours. So yeah, we're at IKEA now, and I was telling them like it's so weird that we went from like a 6-hour hike to just, oh, we're in IKEA now. Yeah, that hike from start to finish ended up being like 6 hours long. I mean, we did do the waterfall thing, so there was a break, and there was a bunch of other breaks, but still, in total it was 6 hours. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, I love the IKEA soy ice cream, man. It's honestly the best ice cream. Okay, there may be better flavor, those are like more like specific and stuff. This is simple, just plain one flavor and stuff like that. Really good. But yeah, I always thought it was vanilla growing up. And I always said, IKEA is the best vanilla, IKEA is the best vanilla. We went there Friday, oh, it's soy, not vanilla. No wonder it tasted so good, it's not even vanilla. I still love vanilla though. And real vanilla tastes way more better than artificial vanilla, you know? Vanilla is not vanilla. Hey yo, what? Yeah, this good. this on videos on YouTube and stuff. Like they would eat the chocolate with it, they put patterns on it, and there's like stuff inside. Yeah, here's a piece. This is white chocolate with like a red velvet inside.
Ni baru aku nampak Rashid betul-betul makan tutup mulut. Tidak termasuk dia. Nanti bunyi lain.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't really like it that much though. I think I prefer just normal white chocolate. Alright, this is like a 7 out of 10, maybe 8.
Dia ada jual kat mana-mana.
Okay, bye.
Oh.
I was bored, so I was like, I'm gonna just go outside. Oh, it's outside now, but look. That's one of the most beautiful clouds I've ever seen. I just looked out of the window and then boom. Amazingness. Yeah, I'm going now, it's outside.